Dumelang, Tarafata here with episode 3 of Lusiga Writes, teaching you how to speak Setswana. I hope you've been practicing and you've enjoyed our previous videos. And just to recap, so we've said hello, we've learned how to count. So dumela, dumelang, dumelang, kolapeng, dumelang, wherever you might be. And we've learned how to count and the days of the week. So step 3, we're going to learn a little bit about our family. Who's in our family and how do we introduce them? So first you might say, there's a boy. Boy is musimani. Musimani. Musimani is boy. Girl is mosetsana. Mosetsana. Mosetsana is girl. So you might describe yourself and say, Ke musimani. Ke musimani means I'm a boy. Ke mosetsana means I'm a girl. So you can say, hello everybody, dumelang. Dumelang. Lina la me ke tshegofatso. Ke mosetsana. Wow. Hello everyone. My name is Tshegofatso and I'm a girl. But I think my girl days are finished. So maybe I should introduce myself as I'm a woman. A woman. Me or mosadi. Woman. Me or mosadi. Woman. Dumelang. Ke bidua Tshegofatso. Ke mosadi. I haven't said that in a while. Means hello. My name is Tshegofatso and I'm a woman. I'm a woman. It's funny to say that out loud. Anyway, to say man. So hang on. Mosadi can be me. Mosadi or me meaning woman. And for man, you say monna. Monna. Or re. Remember we said dumela ra. Re or ra for man. Dumela ma for woman. So then mom and dad or woman and man might have a baby. Wana is a baby. Wana, baby. Now that baby would call that man and woman mom and dad. Mom and dad. And it could be very casual. Mom and dad. Mama le papa. Le in Setswana means and. So mama is mom. Papa is dad. Or they might be writing in their essay or comprehension and the teacher will not like mama and papa. And so they would say me le re on tate. Re, which is dad, or ntate, which is father, or me, which is mother. So musimani is boy, mosetsana is girl, me or mosadi for woman, re or monna for man, mama le papa or mele re or melintate for mom and dad. And that baby, Wana, might have siblings. Kaitzediake. Kaitzediake means sibling. So you can have older siblings and younger siblings. Kaitzediake is just generic sibling. If I'm talking about my sister, kaitzediake. If I'm talking about my brother, kaitzediake. But I might want to say my older sibling, which is nkonni. Nkonni. Nkonni means older sibling. I don't have an older sibling, so I never use that word. But nkonni is older sibling. Doesn't matter the gender. Older sibling. And then nake. Nake is younger sibling. Nake. Yeah, younger sibling. I have one. So yes, I have one nake. Nake alimungwe means one younger sibling. So then you might talk about your grandparents. So remember, me, ntate, mom, and dad. So for grandparents, you just age them a little bit more. So you say, me moholo means older mom, grandmom. So grandma, me moholo. Some people also use that for your mom's older sister. So that means your mom's, kaitidia, your mom, which is your sibling's mom, your mom's sibling who's older than them and is a woman. Me is mom, moholo is older. So me moholo means older mom or grandma. And then mom, that was me, yeah. And dad was ntate, right? So grandpa, you should be able to guess grandpa, older dad. Ntate moholo. Ntate moholo. That's grandpa. So you can say grandma, me moholo, or nkuku. Some people say nkuku. Me moholo or grandpa. Ntate moholo. Older dad. Older mom. Older moholo. Then you might have aunt. Aunt. Setswana is very gendered. It's not as gendered as French where even the table has a gender. But aunt is like, before you say the word, is it your mom's sister or is it your dad's sister? If it's your mom's sister, it's called mangwani. Mangwani. Or if you're a kid, usually you just say mamani. Mamani. But the proper way is mangwani. That is your mom's sister. And if it's your dad's sister, is rakadi. Rakadi. That's if is your dad's sister. Rakadi. So when someone says aunt, and you're like trying to translate aunt, you have to ask yourself, is it your mom's sister? Or is it dad's sister? If it's your mom's sister, is mangwani. Mangwani. If it's your dad's sister, you say rakadi. Rakadi. And the same with uncle. Uncle's not straightforward. Uncle is it your mom's sibling, mom's brother? That's malume. Malume. If it's your dad's brother, is rangwani. 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 Right? So you have the whole family. You have the grandparents, ntate, moholo for grandpa, me, moholo for grandma. Then you have aunties and uncles, depending on which side. So your dad's side is rakadi for his sister, your dad's sister, or rangwani for your dad's brother. Or for your mom's side, mangwani for your aunt on your mom's side, or malome for your uncle on your mom's side. And then it's you. Na. Na is me. Na. And kimusimane or kimusitsana for I'm a boy or girl. Kimuna if I'm a man. Kimusadi or me for woman. And melin tate, mom and dad. And kaitsediake for my sibling, who might be older than me, nkonni, or younger than me, nake. Ntsalake is your cousin. Ntsalake is cousin. Alright, that's your family tree. See you later. Bye.